Hi everybody, this is Nick, and I'm coming to you today with a really quick Excel shortcut for formatting charts. So one of these things, I have these two co-occurrence tables. This one on the right here is the one that I want to sort of recreate, and this is actually not a table in Excel. This is a stacked bar chart, or actually a stacked column chart. And so you can see that each of these rows and columns can be edited just like any sort of chart. I've kind of customized this. I'll make a video sometime in the future about how I created this in Excel. You could do the exact same thing with just a table in PowerPoint or a table in Excel and just formatting the cells as you need to do. That's probably one of the easiest ways to do it, but I wanted to see if I could do it with sort of a chart. And so I wanted to show you a really quick formatting tip right here. So the thing is, these are all individual series of data. And if I go ahead and update these colors, you'll see every single square updates, but I really just want to copy this. I want the first three to be updated and then these two and those two. So let's just go ahead and click undo. I'm going to show you this. I'm going to format one cell the exact way that I want to. We're going to color it blue. And I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And now, with make sure that your number pad is highlighted. And what I'm going to do is push the F4 key. I'm going to click on the next one, push F4, and that duplicates the formatting that I have here. So I want to do that there, number 8, and then number 10. Perfect. So that's a nice little shortcut, a keyboard shortcut that you can just, instead of clicking back and forth and editing all of these colors like this manually, we'll just update it once, and then we can go ahead and push F4, and we'll go ahead and do this one right here with our orange. Pretty cool. We're going to push F4 again right there, and then here is our green. So you only have to update each of these once, and then you can go ahead and push F4 and push F4, and there is a way to sort of quickly copy formatting in your charts in Excel. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually Excel, PowerPoint, or Word. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.